Hello guys, I'm Ubu Sipon. So we're gonna put this on my forehead. So I have Ubu Sipon today. But I have school today, so I will go to school. That's okay because I have a cough or not. I have cough. I'm so delighted of you guys. Okay, now we're gonna do this open box. Look, there's a little boy who have this one on here. So let's get open it. Let's unbox. This one is the little boy we found here. Look. This is the little boy. Like I found here. This is the little boy who found it. We found the little boy in the front because he had a cough. So I got to put this on the top there. Now we're gonna open it. Okay. Where's the oven? Oh. Sorry, when I get what? I'm just thinking, hey, why aren't you both? Okay, I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna put this on your top again. There. I'm gonna rub it. There. Oh, we had this blue. Okay. Now we're gonna open this. So different from my color because my favorite color is blue. Oh, so sticky. Sticky. On my left one. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Wow! Nagpot na ko og persa ako buna. Nagpot na ko persa ako buna. My grandma said I have no Hilana because, or I have a Hilana. Wait. Oh, my hair. I have no because this is from my koala. I forgot. Because he have a fever. There you go. There you go. Look at Sunny. Now look at my daughter. So cute. You look like Mama Mary. You look like Mama now. You look like Mama Mary. Look at you in the shoulder. Look at you, my little baby. Look at you, baby. Oh boy, sweetie. Now bye, guys.